Welcome back. We will talk about table row. Table row generate HTML table rows for every item in an array. So note that table row must be wrapped inside an HTML table tag. Okay, so the syntax is right here. I'm going to copy the syntax and paste it here. So first we need to add this table row iteration inside the table row, the HTML tag. Okay, and then we're going to iterate it against the collection.product. Okay, and we're gonna use the variable here just like we did with the for loop or the paginate. And then we're going to output the result here, the expression. So let me just put it inside the p tag. And if I save it, we're going to have something like this. So we're going to have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column. Okay. So we have also access to some params. So of course, yes, table row can take parameters. So we have the call parameters. So the calls parameters define how many columns the table should have using the calls parameters. Okay, so it takes only one argument and it must be type of number. Okay, so this is the syntax. So it's calls, okay, column, and then the number of columns you want to use. So let's try it. So as you can see here, we have 6 columns here. So what I need to do, I want to have, let's say, 3 columns. So I will say calls, column, and then I will write the number 3 here and I will save it. And then we have only 3 columns now. Okay, and every time that you're creating a table row iteration, you have access to a table row loop object that is created and is giving you more properties information, just like the for loop or the paginate loop as well. Okay, so let's say we want to output this example to count the column of each column if you want to. Okay, so if I remove this, I do this like this, it's going to count with the one index base. So as you can see, it's counting the columns. So we have like 1, we have 2, and we have 3. Okay, so it's counting the columns like this. Okay, so we have like plenty of them here. You can go on documentation here. Okay, you click on tags, you go to iteration, and you go to paginate, you go to table row, sorry. And once you're in table row, you click on table row loop object, and you have access to these properties here, and you can check one by one to see what results you're gonna get. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye.